Okay, got 2004 Buick Rendezvous here, and I can't get this automatic, it's an electronic latch. It won't open. So, I've discovered a way to get it done. If you go in the back panel here, right there's a little keyhole thing, and you just need to take a screwdriver, probably a sharper edge than this would be better, and you pop it off. And in there, I don't know, yeah, you won't be able to see, but in there's a latch. It can be pushed, pushing it to the left with a screwdriver. I hope this helps somebody. At any rate, just push it over to the left, like that, and voila! It's pretty simple to do. So it's just that hole right there. Push that thing to the left, and it'll open it. Now I gotta figure out why the electronic one isn't working. Hope this helps.